Hi, sorry, my camera's on this side now. All right. I'm Tyler, and this is my Module 2 data analysis project for the Module 2. Um, I created a Python program that analyzes a sales data set using pandas and Matplotlib. My goal was to practice loading data, organizing it, answering questions with analysis, and creating a graph to show the results. The data set that I used has order dates, product names, categories, quantities, and unit prices. From that data, my program calculates revenue and answers questions about sales performance. So the questions that I had set out with were which product category generated the highest total sales, which month had the highest total sales, and what are the top five highest revenue products. Sorry, a truck drove by super loud. Okay, I'll show it. We'll run it here. Might take just a second. Oh, not too bad actually. Okay, this is the sales data preview. Um, and then here it answers the questions one by one. And it shows that electronics had the highest sales. And then right here it answers question two by showing that April had the highest total sales. And then here it answers question three by listing the top five highest revenue products. And it creates a bar graph here as well. And then I'll quickly just kind of run through the code and how it works here. Okay, this is the load data um, line here. This function loads the CSV file into a pandas data frame. As the starting point for the analysis. Prepare data. This function loads the CSV file into a pandas data frame. Uh, Sorry, this function prepares the data. I got my bulleted list here. Prepares the data for analysis. It converts the data, the date column into uh, date time format, and also creates revenue column by multiplying quantity over unit price. What do we got here? It also creates a month number and a month name value for the monthly analysis. Oh, we've also got a show preview here, real small. This prints the first few rows of the data set and helps confirm the data loaded correctly. And we've got analyze category sales. This function groups the data by category and sums up the revenue. Then it sorts it. Whoops. Then it sorts it the results and finds a category with the highest total sales. I've also got analyze monthly sales, um, and this function groups the data by month and then sums up the revenue. It uses date conversion and sorting to find the month with the highest sales. We've also got an analyze the top product section here. Um, this one groups the data by product and sums the revenue. Uh, and it sorts the product in descending order um, and returns the top five. Print results, pretty simple. Uh, just a function that prints the answers to the questions in a clean way, like I was showing you earlier here. And then plot category sales. This is what creates the bar graph showing the revenue by category. It also helped me meet the graph requirement for the rubric. And then this is my main section here. This runs the full analysis. It loads the data, prepares it, runs the analysis functions, prints the results, and displays the graph. Anyways, pretty cool project there. I learned to use pandas to load and organize data, so that was kind of interesting. Answer questions through analysis. Pretty cool stuff.